Hello all, this is Govindarajan from Braille the Cat Tools. Okay, let us see what is a cat tool. Cat tool is any software that saves your source and target text in a database called translation memory. Okay, so to say in other words, whatever translation that you are doing in different projects, they are saved in one location which is called translation memory. By saving all your translation in one location, you can always refer it, reuse it, and you can keep building your translation database. The reusability is the main advantage of a cat tool. Okay, next, what are all the advantages of a cat tool? Okay, increase in production capacity. For example, if you are translating 2000 words per day, and if you start using a cat tool, your production capacity will increase to 2200 to 2500 or even to 3000, depending on your uh, best manner of using the cat tool. Okay, and your quality will be improved. How? Because there are n number of quality checks and tag checks and lots of checks available in any cat tool. So if you make use of this feature, your quality will improve. Okay, and maintenance of consistency. For example, if any sentence is repeating n number of time, the moment you type the translation on the first occurrence, the remaining gets automatically filled, so your time is saved in repetitive text. And whatever translation you did at the first occurrence will be uh, will be propagated to the second to nth occurrence. So all the first to nth occurrence will have the same type of translation. It will not be in one manner at first occurrence and another manner at second occurrence. And even at the middle of the project, when you change this repetitive sentences anywhere, even in the 10th occurrence, this thing will be propagated to the entire document, so you don't have to do a find and replace. So by this way, your consistency will improve and also your time will be saved. Next, elimination of formatting issues. Okay, for example, if you have received a file with lots of formatting, for example, if you received a frame maker file, um, and even a word file with lots of tags and everything, if you use a cat tool, your formatting will be retained. You don't have to spend time and spend more efforts in retaining the formatting, because these things will be taken care by the cat tool itself. Okay, and as I said earlier, there are lots of QA checks available. So after you complete the translation or review, you can do all this QA check and ensure you get the perfect output before delivering the project to the client. Okay, there may be other advantages also which I may not have covered. Okay, now let's go to the disadvantages of cat tool. Okay, what is the disadvantage? High investment required for purchasing a cat tool. For example, memoQ costs around 770 US dollars. SDL Trados cost may vary between $400 to 700 or $800 for a freelance version. For accurate prices, you need to check with the SDL resellers. And there is always a learning curve. You have to spend some time learning the technicality of those things. No doubt it is not a rocket science, but you have to put considerable efforts to learn cat tools. And another disadvantage is some companies will not pay you for repetition and fuzzy match kind of thing. So this is disadvantage. Then confidentiality issues. For example, if you are using machine translation or if you are using an online cat tool, you are revealing the confidential data to the cloud server. So this is not preferred when you have signed NDA. See, it is actually a breach of NDA. Okay, next, troubleshooting. So any cat tool may suddenly crash or it has bugs. Then you may have to spend some time resolving the issue or even learning about the troubleshooting and all. These are all disadvantages. Okay, now next, let us see what are all some options that are available for a freelance translator. For example, SDL Trados, this is the world renowned software, number one leader across the world. So it has the best feature and rich best feature rich software. Okay, next comes memoQ. memoQ also is on par with SDL Trados and it has some additional features also. Then there is also Captra and Espresso. So it is a good software in budget. So the price may be around 200 American dollars. And then there is free cat tool omegat. It is a Java based cat tool which anyone can download and use it for lifetime, and it works in Windows, Mac, Linux and Solaris platforms also. So there are n number of cat tools available besides these four. I have just listed only 4 cat tool to give you a idea. Okay, so thank you everyone for watching this video. Have a nice day and please subscribe to my channel to watch more information about cat tools and related techniques. Thank you.